Are you in need of a professional and reliable company to conduct a boundary pickup and level survey in Kankapura, Bangalore? Look no further than Scon Design India Private Ltd, the best company in Marathali, Bangalore. With their expertise and experience in the field, they are the go-to choice for all your surveying needs. Whether you are a homeowner looking to build a fence or a developer planning a large-scale project, Scon Design India Private Ltd can provide accurate and detailed surveys that will meet your requirements. Boundary pickup and levels survey is an essential step in any construction or development project. It involves accurately determining the boundaries of a property and measuring the elevations of different points on the land. This information is crucial for various purposes such as creating accurate site plans, designing drainage systems, and ensuring compliance with local building regulations. Scon Design India Private Ltd understands the importance of precision in these surveys and employs advanced surveying equipment and techniques to ensure accurate results. What sets Scon Design India Private Ltd apart from other surveying companies is their commitment to delivering exceptional service to their clients. They understand that each project is unique and requires customized solutions. Their team of highly skilled and experienced surveyors work closely with clients to understand their specific needs and provide tailored solutions that meet their requirements. Whether it's a small residential project or a large commercial development, Scon Design India Private Ltd is equipped to handle it all. Scon Design India Private Ltd's dedication to quality and accuracy has earned them an excellent reputation in the industry. They have successfully completed numerous boundary pickup and level surveys in Kankapura, Bangalore, and have received positive feedback from their clients. Their attention to detail and ability to deliver on time sets them apart from their competitors. When you choose Scon Design India Private Ltd for your surveying needs, you can be confident that you are working with the best in the business. In addition to their expertise in boundary pickup and level surveys, Scon Design India Private Ltd. I am thrilled to share with you the exciting news that Scon Design India PVT Ltd is now conducting all surveys in exceptional quality. With our dedication to excellence and commitment to providing top-notch services, we have taken our boundary pickup and level survey to a whole new level. Our team of highly skilled professionals has been trained to ensure accuracy and precision in every aspect of the survey process. We understand the importance of these surveys in various industries, and we are proud to offer our clients the best quality results. At Scon Design India PVT Ltd, we believe that attention to detail is key when it comes to conducting boundary pickup and level surveys. Our team meticulously analyzes the requirements of each project and uses state-of-the-art equipment to ensure accurate measurements. We leave no stone unturned in our pursuit of excellence, as we know that even the smallest error can have significant consequences. Our commitment to delivering precise and reliable results sets us apart from our competitors. What sets our surveys apart is not only the quality of the data we provide, but also the comprehensive approach we take. We understand that each project is unique and requires a tailored survey approach. Our team goes above and beyond to understand the specific needs of our clients and provide customized solutions. Whether it is a large-scale construction project or a small-scale property development, we have the expertise to handle it with utmost professionalism and efficiency. One of the reasons why our surveys are of such high quality is because we invest in the latest technology and equipment. Our team is equipped with advanced surveying instruments, ensuring accurate measurements and reliable data collection. We believe in staying up to date with the latest advancements in the industry, as it allows us to provide our clients with cutting-edge solutions. By combining our expertise with cutting-edge technology, we are able to deliver surveys that meet the highest standards of quality. Another factor that sets us apart is our attention to detail in every step of the survey process. From initial planning to data analysis, we leave no room for error. Our team is trained to identify any potential issues or discrepancies and take corrective measures promptly. This meticulous approach ensures that our clients receive surveys that are not only accurate, offers a wide range of surveying services including topographic surveys, construction staking, and land division surveys. They have the knowledge and resources to handle projects of any complexity, ensuring that every aspect of your surveying needs is taken care of. So, if you are looking for a reliable and professional company to conduct a boundary pickup and level survey in Kankapura, Bangalore, look no further than Scon Design India Private Limited. With their expertise, commitment to quality, and exceptional service, they are the best choice for all your surveying needs. Contact them today to discuss your project requirements and experience the excellence they offer in every aspect of their work.